I would like to ask you a simple question. Do you know what's gelatin? Here's what you need to know. Gelatin is largely composed of the amino acids glycine and proline, which many people don't consume in adequate amounts as they are found in the bones, fibrous tissues and organs of animals, and as a population, we don't consume these parts as much anymore. These amino acids are needed not only for proper skin, hair and nail growth, but for optimal immune function and weight regulation. Glycine, which makes up about 1/3 of the amino acids in gelatin powder, is anti-inflammatory, and evidence is finding that it can help speed wound healing. Glycine in gelatin can also help improve sleep ease and quality. The million-dollar question: why they give Jell-O to sick people in hospitals? Here's the answer. Jell-O is considered a clear liquid. Just like broth, juice, water, tea. It's one of the easiest foods for your body to digest, so hospitals use it a lot for people who are recovering from whatever because their stomachs can't handle anything rich. Icky tummies need to get calories in a way that doesn't cause a sick person distress, and Jell-O has sugar, so it's got calories. Aside from the usual liquid diet reasons, Jell-O is pretty easy to get through your system. If you're trying to get better, having something easy to digest is good for you. Especially if you're on a Jell-O and liquids only diet. Another reason is that they make so much of it every day for all those liquid diet people, that they just give it out to everyone since they have so much left over. Gelatin can also improve gut integrity and digestive strength by enhancing gastric acid secretion and restoring a healthy mucosal lining in the stomach. Low stomach acid and an impaired gut barrier are two common digestive problems in our modern society. Gelatin also absorbs water and helps keep fluid in the digestive tract, promoting good intestinal transit and healthy bowel movements. Gelatin health benefits. Gelatin is loaded with protein, 6 grams of protein per tablespoon. It's a great way to add more protein to your diet. Gelatin improves digestion. Gelatin naturally binds to water and helps food move through the digestive tract more easily. Gelatin can help heal food allergies and intolerances. If you add gelatin to your diet, it can heal the lining of your stomach and digestive tract. Gelatin is good for bone and joint health. As we said, it contains lots of amino acids important in helping to prevent the weakness and degeneration of cartilage in joints. Gelatin helps your body release toxins. The glycine, an amino acid found in gelatin, assists the liver to efficiently remove toxins from our system. Gelatin gives you better hair, nails, and teeth. It contains keratin, which is a very strong protein found in your hair, nails, teeth and skin. It improves the elasticity of your skin. First, you should know that gelatin is essentially cooked down collagen. Consuming it will help improve the look and feel of your skin much more effectively than hard-to-absorb collagen facial creams. Gelatin helps speed up wound healing. How this works: one of the amino acids found in gelatin is glycine, which is highly anti-inflammatory. Gelatin can improve your quality of sleep. A recent study has found that not only do people sleep better when consuming the amino acid glycine, they report less daytime drowsiness and better cognitive function. Gelatin can help with weight loss. The experts say that it increases the production of human growth hormone and to boost metabolism. Delicious homemade jelly recipe. You will need the following ingredients: 1 cup orange juice, freshly squeezed. 1 cup of grape juice or fresh strawberries. 3 tablespoons unflavored gelatin. 1 cup of green tea. Honey or stevia. Directions: here's what you need to do. First, you need to cook the green tea and add some honey and stevia. Then, you should add the unflavored gelatin and mix until it's dissolved. Remove it from heat and let it sit until it's cool enough. After that, you should add the orange and the grape juice and mix well. Now, you need to pour this mixture in a container and refrigerate it for at least 3 hours. That's it. Enjoy your delicious homemade jelly.